like a cell phone when you hear the bell tone. Nails gold as the roaming streets get the creed from every single challenge that I meet. Discreetly, if you greet me, showing love reflect the same like a mirror what your heart is made of. The deal is to do niggas when niggas do to you. If they rob your well-being, got to be criminal too. Original crew, make up yourself every time. Any line in my rhyme is all a part of the crime. The place now and here, we're in how you getting done. You just a fraction of my talent getting burnt by the sun. When you come like an orgasm, making mad noise, talk a whole lot of shit like I'm supposed to lose my poise. Man, I'm way past real, I feel I'm at the next level. Lyrics so deep, I'm giving back hands to the devil.
I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal.
Now with no strain, I maintain like you're Bill Super. Pushing for a super evil type ways like let's sleep the for the loot you gotta be, cause flattery will get you nowhere. Take those tears in my eyes and you will see that there be no fear of any individual made of flesh and blood. Check the flooded lyrics from the criminal. Original shit, that's what the jigs be about. See the route that we chose, keep these MCs on they motherfucking toes. Like a ballerina started in Medina, Crown Heights where some fight. Main occupation, rolling blood stipe filled with marijuana. Boost that, those Gabbana, sell the gear on the corner, make it hot like Tijuana with lyrics that's harder. That niggas trying to get record deals, I reckon still a man with no arms will be able to feel raps. I drop like tops on Mustang convertibles, unheardable flows like these bound to murder you.
I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. The smooth criminal on beat.
Cause I don't give a fuck these days. The heat wave from the ghetto got me on the pressure. Man, which he stays in my Philly box in my kitchen counter. For chocolate times next encounter, feeling the press, I don't know how to express the obvious that oblivious to me be these fake niggas in the industry. Man, I don't give a fuck about your keys or coat, Glocks that you claim you told, lyrics that you said you wrote, or even if you slit your throat. What I'm saying is nowadays nothing matters. My intellect's above your head, you couldn't reach the Jacob's ladder. You say it's real, son, I'm saying it's beyond that. I'm on track, regardless of the fact, no record contract. Contact with the fraudulent, I keep it at a minimum. Roberta Flack with my rap selfie, I be killing them. Filling them like cavities, the baddest man is me. Dropping hits like heroin in your arteries.
Taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks. I'm taking rappers to a new plateau. You dig? The smooth criminal on beat breaks.
My style stand alone with the microphone tone, still zoning in the zone on my way home. Holy wars in my mind like Sir Abu, remembering to thy own self be true. Following the footsteps of no other human being, you would stop disagreeing if you see what I'm saying. Bodies decorate the streets like litter. Can't get the J.O., so what else to consider? My expectations like reach for the sky. Cause time is money and we all gon' die. Don't put off till tomorrow what you could do today. Oh, you like that cliche? Now get the fuck out my way. We got places to go, we got people to see. Mad love to my family for believing in me. In the city that never sleeps. sleeps. New York, where you only good as your latest hit. People forget, like amnesia, pleasure. On some other shit, like a haven. Stop believing, I'm a David. Bullets flying, people dying, mentally grieving. Backstabbers, money grabbers, robbing and stealing. Dog niggas, living the kneeling. Going crazy up my mind, that's how I'm feeling. What you gonna do now? Stop revealing, switching stories, switching son, cause they be squealing. No love over here, let's keep it real and right tonight. Bless the mic, show improving, extra tight, shine this light. I keep it moving, full speed ahead as I stand my ground, holding it down to see Boogie Brown. Circumstances beyond my control. Coming back in the driver's seat, ready to roll for the riders, the jet getters, and big ballers, militant inhabitants, the shot callers like top management. It's the seven-figure movement, eye to eye. There's only room for improvement. The CV was on the ain't for clowning around. Don't get it twisted. I'm shutting you down, feeling my sound surround. Point blank, I like to thank all suckers for showing me what not to be like. Motherfuckers do whatever for the money and 10 minutes of fame, but I'm 12 steps ahead of you, surviving the game, so help me God, yo, ain't nothing sweet. I repeat, don't shit where you eat, check the bottom of your feet, straight blazing the beat. You better get your act together, hip-hop is gonna be here forever.
Everyone who has lost someone special in their life. So I must give a shout out to my brother, Anthony Massey, also known as Dr. Cheeks. One love. Peace.
Barbershop. MC, yeah. They don't know about this. Barbershop. Yeah. Champions. Shop.
In case you didn't know who this is, it's the barbershop, the one and only. Crushing all these phonies in the clubs, they my homie. In the streets, they don't know me. They cowards, trying to live a lifestyle that's ours. For the people who live hip-hop, hour after hour, minute by minute. As the seconds tick, I'm wrecking shit. Put it in writing so my seeds can inherit it. The fakes keep fearing it, people keep hearing it. Barbershop MCs freestyling over instruments. Spark a blunt, then an incense. Fix it, to put on the tape, my DJ was missing. Set on a mission, designed to blow kisses. To whack crews, I throw disses, cause it's the point they missing. This is what you call the best in the West. Full-fledged hip-hop without the bulletproof vest.
See our words of life, breathtaking rhymes, sonnet, connected by me, collected MCs, elected by the Crescent Heights officially. See my duty as an MC, from the barbershop, fresh cut to hip hop, chicks pussy pop to this, while I'm sipping Guinness, clothes smelling like cess without the yes, we bless this. It ain't my fault like Mr. O.C. So intangible, too much to handle. Battlers, that's just a big gamble that you might lose. Fuck it, you will. Tons of guns that kill. This is for real. SK, watch my name ring like AK shot sounds. It's the same thing as heroin. That's why the brain fiend. Haters spotting, train spot, debating on a scheme to annihilate the number one team.
The barbershop got the music, the money, the women. The barbershop got the music, the money, the women. The barbershop got the music, the money, the women. The barbershop got the music, the money, the the women. Yo, hitting corners, rolling quick. Barbershop city slicks, that's the name, the type of nigga to blow a nick. To a dub, hit the ball walking in the club. Kelly on the rock, tie twisting up a dub. That's in the corner hollowing. Wells walking through the club, James following. Drug on his neck with the bottling, that's expected. I can't help it if my whole crew's infected with dopeness, it's hopeless. Like Hey Ruth told you to focus. Shots form just like locusts. Out for the kill and the takeover. Covering ground from LA to Dover. The type of cats you could call rovers. We roaming like some wild is foaming. We sick, cause we kick sick ass lyrics. It's contagious, cause my whole crew's outrageous. Barbershop nigga, can't nobody outstage us.
Barbershop crew, we got nothing else to do but hit y'all niggas off with some shit that's brand new. Understand, I'm so hype, man. I don't even need a hype man. Just give me a motherfucking mic stand. The third good martial education. I look forward to taking on the nation with the inspiration. My desperation, my eye examination, concentration. Congratulations. Unfortunately, I torture MC like a blitty. Burn a nigga up like a black and midi. Fresh baked breads and vegetables, buttered up delectables. These women we meet wanna get sexual. Heavy drinker, heavy thinker, heroics. Ask the questions you wanna know to the niggas that know it. Half an ounce of Quan one night, blow it. You got the skill, show it. I drink hard liquor and shake up the moet. Celebrate, toast to the utmost great. Net weight, fish on the plate. Niggas in emergency state, get your weapon. Protect your family and get to steppin'. Barbershop got the music, the money, the women, the barbershop got the music, the money, the women, the barbershop got the music, the money, the women, the barbershop got the music, the money, the women, got the music, the money, the women, the barbershop got the music, money, women, barbershop got the music, the money, women, the barbershop got the music,
Yeah, man. They got plans for us. Helicopters, tanks, riot gear, dogs, and the whole nine. So the question to the community in the 90s is, what you gonna do?
Just because I'm down with the F.O.I., that don't mean I won't be your brother till the day that I die. I was born black just like you, caught up in a cycle, just like they did to my man Michael Jackson, Tyson, and Jordan. It goes to show you it don't matter if you important. See, they be distorted because we ain't nothing in their eyes, and we can't rise until we get organized. So realize the situation is at hand for us to take a stand and fight the plan. They wanna give us funds if we're turning our guns, but they're the same ones planning to slaughter us by the tons. So what you gonna do since you know now? You better listen to the brother with the know-how. I gotta go now, but when I get back, I'ma give you what you're lacking, that's a fact.
What you gonna do? 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 What you gonna do?
Just because I keep my head bald and sell a final call, that don't mean I ain't down with y'all. The very same snake that bit you, bit me too. I find it true, this is something I always knew. We gotta change our ways and actions. How we show dissatisfaction, be building up factions. We can't afford for our ranks to decrease. Why? Because I hear the sound of a beast coming with the intent to do harm. Sound the alarm, but everybody gotta remain calm. Cause if we're flinching it's a cinch. He's gonna give the trigger a pinch, and that'll set it off. The way you see the brothers busting, you would think it was July the 4th. So don't even try it, my people are tired, and you don't wanna see another riot.
What you gonna do? 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 What you gonna do?
Just because the name of my God is Allah don't mean I won't be there if you need me, baby boy. We're in the same boat with the same float, so we can't afford to be at each other's throat. No Uncle Tommy, see the enemy, we both got us in common, and that's who I'm bombing. Whatever's clever, ain't nothing changed but the weather. All I wanna do is see my people come together. That's all I've been thinking of. Some say I teach hate, but what I teach is black on black love. So is it a crime if I drop a dime in the rhyme about the man that's keeping us behind? Call me paranoid, but I'm not. I'm blowing up the spot because I know what the devil got. gonna do? Are you gonna be ready when it comes gunning for you?